The best business to start in your 20s. Starting a business in your 20s can be an exhilarating and transformative journey. This is a time in life when many are brimming with energy, creativity, and a willingness to take risks. All essential ingredients for entrepreneurial success. The key to thriving in this venture lies in choosing a business idea that aligns with your passions, skills, and the current market trends. Each idea will be discussed in detail, providing a comprehensive understanding of why they are ideal for those in their 20s and how to effectively capitalize on these opportunities. Get ready for an engaging and insightful exploration into the world of entrepreneurship, technology, and app development. In an era dominated by digital technology, starting a business in tech or app development can be extremely lucrative. Young entrepreneurs often have a closer finger on the pulse of current technology trends and a natural aptitude for digital innovation. Whether it's developing mobile apps, software, or diving into emerging fields like artificial intelligence or virtual reality, there are endless opportunities for creative and tech-savvy individuals. Success in this field requires staying up to date with the latest technological advancements and understanding user experience. You don't necessarily need a background in coding. Many successful tech entrepreneurs focus on the conceptual and business side, partnering with technical experts to bring their ideas to life. The key is to identify a need or a problem and develop a technology-based solution that is intuitive, user-friendly, and provides real value. Networking, constant learning, and adaptability are crucial in this rapidly evolving sector. Social media consulting. Social media has become a powerful tool for businesses, and expertise in this area is highly sought after. As a young entrepreneur, you might already possess a natural understanding and skill set for navigating various social media platforms. Starting a social media consulting business involves helping companies develop strategies to enhance their online presence, engage with their audience, and promote their products or services effectively. This business requires a good grasp of different social media platforms, trends, and algorithms. You should be able to offer services like content creation, audience analysis, brand development, and campaign management. Keeping up with the ever-changing landscape of social media and understanding how to leverage it for business growth is essential. This type of business has low startup costs, and if you're adept at social media, it can be a great way to turn your skills into a profitable venture. E-commerce. The e-commerce industry has seen phenomenal growth, and starting an online store is a great business idea for those in their 20s. The beauty of e-commerce is its flexibility. You can sell a wide range of products, from fashion and beauty products to tech gadgets and home goods. You can also choose to dropship products, which means you don't have to hold inventory, reducing the upfront investment and risk. To succeed in e-commerce, you need to understand your target market, create an appealing online store, and develop effective digital marketing strategies. It's important to stay abreast of e-commerce trends and consumer behaviors. Customer service, a user-friendly website, and a solid social media presence can set your e-commerce business apart. This business model is particularly appealing because it offers the potential to reach a global market. Content creation and blogging. If you have a passion for writing, photography, or video production, starting a content creation or blogging business could be highly rewarding. This avenue allows you to turn your interests and hobbies into a profitable business. Whether it's fashion, travel, food, tech, or any other niche, you can create engaging content and build an audience around it. Success in this field hinges on your ability to produce high-quality, unique content and effectively engage with your audience. Monetization can come from advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. It requires dedication and time to build a following, but with the right strategies and consistency, it can be a lucrative business. It's also a great way to establish yourself as an expert in your niche. Health and fitness coaching. With a growing focus on health and wellness, starting a business in health and fitness coaching can be very successful. This could involve personal training, yoga instruction, nutrition coaching, or mental health coaching. If you have expertise or a strong interest in fitness and health, this could be a fulfilling and profitable venture. To start a health and fitness coaching business, certifications may be required depending on the area of focus. Building a client base can start in your local community and expand online through virtual coaching. Success in this business comes from your ability to motivate, educate, and support your clients in achieving their health and fitness goals. Personal branding, social media marketing, and networking are key strategies to grow your business in this field. Freelancing and consulting. Leveraging your skills and expertise as a freelancer or consultant can be an excellent way to start a business in your 20s. This could include fields like graphic design, digital marketing, writing, programming, or any other area where you have expertise. Freelancing offers flexibility and the ability to work on diverse projects. Building a successful freelancing or consulting business requires a strong portfolio and networking to secure clients. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can be great places to start. The key is to provide exceptional service and build a reputation for reliability and quality. Over time, as you grow your client base and portfolio, your business can evolve into a full-fledged consulting firm. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. There is a growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products, from clothing and accessories to home goods and beauty products. Starting a business in this niche not only taps into a profitable market, but also aligns with a larger global movement towards sustainability. This could involve creating your own products or curating and selling products from various eco-friendly brands. Success in this business requires a deep understanding of what makes a product truly sustainable and eco-friendly. Transparency, ethical sourcing, and a strong brand story are important. Marketing strategies should highlight the environmental impact and the quality of your products. Engaging with the community and building a brand that resonates with environmentally conscious consumers is key. Online education and tutoring. The field of online education and tutoring is booming, providing opportunities for young entrepreneurs to share their knowledge and expertise. Whether it's academic tutoring, teaching a language, or providing courses in a specific skill, this sector offers a platform for educators of all types. This business can range from one-on-one tutoring sessions to creating and selling educational courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. To succeed in online education, you need to have expertise in your chosen subject and the ability to convey information effectively. Developing engaging course materials, leveraging digital tools, and creating an interactive learning experience are essential. Marketing your courses and building a reputation for quality education will help attract students and grow your business. Starting a business in your 20s is an exciting prospect that offers immense learning and growth opportunities. The key to success lies in choosing a business that aligns with your passions, skills, and market trends. Whether it's leveraging technology, tapping into the digital marketplace, or addressing health and sustainability concerns, the right business can set the foundation for a rewarding and prosperous entrepreneurial journey. Remember, success requires not just a great idea, but also dedication, adaptability, and a willingness to learn and evolve. With the right approach and mindset, your 20s can be the perfect time to launch a business that flourishes for years to come. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.